Hello guys, and welcome back. So let's get started with our authentication. So first, let's install all the packages that we are going to need in the authentication process. Okay, so let's get started. Let's head over to our browser. We can minimize that and then let's start. So the first package we're going to need is going to be our country picker, this one. So let's pick this one on top. So we'll need this one. Let's go to installation and then let's copy that. Go back to our application, paps.peg, papspec UML, and then let's paste that. Let's head over to our browser. Let's get the next package, which is going to be our rounded loading button, this package. So this one here, let's click on it, and then this is the one that we need to go on installation, and then let's copy that, go back to our application and then paste that. Let's go back to our browser, get another package. So this one is going to be the provider package, one of my favorite packages. So let's click this one and then let's go on installation, and then let's copy that. So this is a state management package, this provider. It's the one that we are going to use throughout our application. You can read about it. So there is a river pod, and then there's like quite a lot of state management packages, but I personally like this one because it's the one that I use most. Okay, so let's head over to our application, then let's paste that, and then let's go back again to the browser. Let's search for another one. So another one, let's search for Lottie. We are going to use Lottie animations in our application. So let's install the Lottie package. So let's get this one, go on installation, and then let's copy that, go back to the application and then paste. Then let's go back, let's get another package. This one is going to be shared preferences. So this one is also one of my favorite packages. Let's paste this. This is saving the data to our local storage. So let's place on that one, go on installation, and then let's copy that, go back to the application and then paste that, and then let's minimize and get another one. This one is going to be our pinput package. Pinput. Since on the authentication we are going to use the phone authentication with our application, so that's why we need the pinput and the country code picker. Okay, so let's go on installation and then let's copy that. Let's go back to the application and then let's paste that, and then next we also need some fonts. So let's get the Google Fonts package. Google Fonts. So this one here, let's go on installation and then let's copy that, go back to the application and paste it. So let's go back and then let's get another package. So here we're going to need the image picker, and we also need the image cropper. Okay, so let's search for that. So this one, image picker, then installation. So let's copy that, then go back to the application, then paste that, and then let's go back again and then pick the image cropper. Now image cropper, we look for that, and then this is the one. Let's click on it, let's go on installation, and then let's just copy that, go back to the application and paste, and then now let's look for another one. I think this will be the last one, so let's look for UUID. Okay, let's paste, and then we need this one. Let's get inside this one. We go in installation, and then let's copy that. Let's go back to the application, and then let's paste that. So these will be the packages that we are going to need for now for in our login screen. So we have the country code, the country picker. This you are going to use to pick the countries on authentication, since we are using the phone auth. And then we have a rounded loading button. This one I just like it just to display the loading button while we wait. And then we have the provider for our state management, and then we have the Lottie for the Lottie animations you will see as we implement it. And then we have the shared preferences. This one will work hand in hand with the provider. This will be saving the data locally. And then we have the pinput to enter our pin once we create an account. Then we have the Google fonts for the fonts that we'll use. We have the image picker for picking our image. We have the image cropper for cropping the image that we'll be picking. And then we have the UUID to create the unique IDs for our users. Okay, so this is the packages that we are going to need. Let's Control S. So looks like we have an error. It says consider downgrading your constraints on UID Flutter Pub to UID 4.2.2. okay, so this we have the 4.3.2. so maybe let's change this, because this might not work as well, because it's not communicating with the other packages. Okay, so let's downgrade this. Let's try 4.2. Okay, let's try 4.2.2, the one that it's suggesting here. Let's Control S. So it's still showing us the error. I'm not sure if it's still the same message or what we can do. We can go into the terminal and then run Flutter pubget. Okay, let's run that. So you can see that all dependencies ran correctly, which means we don't have an error. So the 4.2.2 ran correctly. So that's it in this video, guys. In this video we just installed the packages that we are going to use in the next couple of videos, the authentication and throughout the application. Okay, so I'm going to close this and then end here. Thank you, and see you in the next video.